Hello, I hope you're enjoying with your family at home. Would you like to listen to a story? The name of the story is Joy. It's about two friends, Raju and Munia. Munia, what's happening outside? Where is the sound coming from? Asked Raju. Raju, I think wind is blowing outside and that's why the sound is coming. Oh, why don't we go outside and fly the kite, Munia? That's a great idea. Munia and Raju went to their garden to fly the kite. The wind was so fast and the kite flew high in the sky. But, oh, it got caught in the tree. Munia pulled the string of the kite, but she pulled it so tightly that the string broke and the kite got stuck in the tree. Raju got a stick from inside. He jumped on his toes and tried to reach the kite, but the stick was so short that he could not reach the kite. The kite did not fall down, but you know what happened? So many yummy, juicy, sour and sweet mangoes fell down. Munia and Raju started eating mangoes and they were enjoying eating them. The mangoes were so yummy. Yummy. While they were eating mangoes, very strong wind came and it flew the kite away. The kite reached near a bird's nest. Mama bird was telling baby birds how to fly. The baby birds were flying for the first time, so they were a little scared. Mama bird told them, "See, there is a kite. Don't worry. Go and hold the string and you will fly along with the kite." The baby birds held the string of the kite with their beaks. They were flying with the kite. They were going along with it wherever the kite was going in the sky. Wow, Mama, this is so much fun. And we are not scared. We are flying, Mama. Can you see? One of the baby birds opened her mouth and spoke. And when she opened her mouth, the string came out of the mouth and the kite flew away with the wind. The birds were still flying in the sky. Wow, Mama, we are flying in the wind. It is so much fun. The kite flew away and with the wind, it came down. A baby rabbit was so happy to see the kite coming down. He jumped on his claws and tried to pull the kite down. As the baby rabbit tried to pull the kite with his claws, the kite tore into pieces. The baby rabbit started to cry. He was very sad. Mama rabbit came and told him, "Don't cry. The kite will not fly, but we will turn it into something else." Mama rabbit cut the torn kite into small pieces and made some buntings out of it. She then decorated the house with those buntings. Baby rabbit was so happy to see that. He jumped up high in the sky. He was filled with joy and he enjoyed it. Would you like to tell us what all have you seen that fly in the wind? What all things are there that fly with the wind?